Hello, my name is Evan Allen, and I am a senior studying mechanical engineering at the University of Idaho. Today, I'll be showing you how to make wind-powered cars. Wind energy is one of the important renewable energy sources that can be used to move turbine blades to generate electricity, to move sailboats, to move cars, and today, we'll be building these awesome wind-powered cars. For this activity, you will need 3 drinking straws, 4 lifesaver candies, 1 sheet of paper, 2 paper clips, 50 centimeters of masking tape, and the equipment you'll need are scissors, a ruler or tape measure, and markers, colored pencils, or any other supplies you'd like. The first step is to brainstorm and design your car. It is often helpful to sketch out your design and put ideas on paper. When designing your car, feel free to be creative and take into account how the car will function. The force supplied to the system is a function of the pressure supplied from the wind and the surface area of the sail. The bigger sail will allow for a larger force because the force is equal to pressure times area. The force generated will be what moves the car, so the larger the force, the faster your car. Next, create the base for your Puffmobile. This is the time for your creativity to shine. For the car I used black construction paper to make a pirate ship. Use the tape measure or ruler to make sure the base is the proper size and will fit together with your frame. Once your base is finished, create the frame and wheel system. Again, feel free to put your creativity to work. For the frame I used 2 straws and put the lifesaver wheels on the ends. Tape them together and then test out the wheels. If the wheels don't roll effortlessly, and if the frame is not sturdy, then continue to work and alter your design until you have a strong frame to build off of. After the frame is complete, attach the base to the frame with masking tape. Take a paper clip and bend the smaller inner part to make a 90-degree angle with the larger outer part of the paper clip. Feed the larger part of the paper clip into a straw and tape it together. This will be the mast that supports the sail. Color your sail and cut it down to size. Fold the paper at the bottom end and cut a slot for the straw to go through. Do this same step for the top part of the sail. Put the straw through the slots you made in the sail. Then tape the sail to the straw. Tape the paper clip to the base of the car and add tape where necessary. It is now time to test out your Puffmobile. If you need to make any adjustments, feel free to do so. You have now completed your Puffmobile that turns wind energy into kinetic energy that moves your car. Thanks for participating, and I hope you enjoyed this activity.